How to get the reply option on Instagram app. Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to get the reply option easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the Instagram app and then go to your profile, and then all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Go to the top here, click on those three lines, and it will show you those options right here. Right here you should see an update messaging option. If you found it, then all what you have to do then is click on update. And if you didn't find it, then you have to go to Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Instagram and click on update. After it will update your Instagram, then you must check Instagram again and click on those three lines and check if you have the option right here. It says update messaging and click on it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.